Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have another human hair wig review for you guys. So if you're interested in hearing what I have to say, then just keep on watching. Today's video is brought to you by Shimmer Wig. I'm pretty sure I've worked with this company one other time recently. So this is their Kinky curly pre-cut lace wig, and I do have it in 24 inches. So this is what the hairline looks like. It is pre-plucked as well. It looks very good, and the lace looks very good as well. So it has that 4x6 area and an adjustable elastic band. It does not come with any combs, so keep that in mind. This does have a snug fit as well. So I'm going to be styling this wig out the pack. I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like glueless, and if you decide to use a temporary adhesive, what that would look like. So this is what the wig looks like fresh out the pack, just plopped on my head. Those curls are very beautiful, and the density on this wig is 180% density, so it is very full. So I started off by tweezing the hairline up a little bit. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but I like to tweeze my hairlines a little bit more just to make them more custom and more natural looking. And I decided to do more of a side part kind of flip over look, and I'm going to use some of my Shea Moisture frizz free curl mousse as my, like, you know, fake adhesive for my glueless install. So I went ahead and put that on my lace, and then I put on my melt band as well. And then I'm going to start to prep the curls with that same frizz-free curl mousse. I'm just going to put it all over the hair, and then that foam through the hair with my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I would highly recommend to wash the wig before you apply it, because it's going to be easier to kind of define the curls and everything. With the curls, I have noticed that you can just wear it right out the box and style it exactly how you want to, but it is a little bit easier after you wash it to kind of mold it to your liking, but you can finesse it without washing it. So I went ahead and put on that frizz-free curl mousse all over the hair, and then I took my Felicia Leatherwood brush and started at the ends of the hair and worked my way all the way up to the roots of the hair. Okay, so then I took my Conair Travel blow dryer, and then I attached my diffuser onto it, and I just diffused the hair. So when I was watching TikTok, I saw that you kind of just go around like the outside of the hair instead of like disturbing the curl pattern when you're diffusing the hair. So that's what I did. I just kind of stayed on the outside of it, and I switched between cool and hot air, and, you know, high and low, just to, you know, speed up the process. But this does take, you know, quite a bit of time to finish this process. So, you know, take your time when you're diffusing your hair just so it looks nice. And I'm just going to let you guys watch that process. Okay, so after I diffused the hair, this is what it looks like when it was pretty much all the way dry. So I went ahead and kind of fluffed the curls out just to give it a bit more volume. Of course, throughout the day, it's gonna fluff up even more. So I took off my melt band, and this is what the glueless install looks like. And I'm just gonna fluff the hair out a little bit more. And basically, this is what the glueless install looks like. It looks very good. I always recommend, like, you know, defining your curls if you want to, but I have shown you guys what it looks like on my channel if you just wear your curls right out the pack. Some of the curls can be very fluffy and perfect how they are, but with a tighter curl pattern like the Kinky curly curl pattern, I do like to either, you know, wash it and then use my foam product to make it more defined and everything. And I think it works very well with this curl pattern. And this is that glueless install. So right now I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like if you use a temporary adhesive. So I went ahead and used my Eben adhesive spray, and I went ahead and used my frizz-free curl mousse again on the hair, specifically at the top of the hair, like, you know, where the flip over started, because it needed a little bit more to be, you know, a bit more tamed up there for me. So I put some of that foam up there, and then I blow dried the lace and everything so it was nice and melted, and that process was very easy. I've shown you guys that process several times on my channel. I'm just gonna let you guys watch that. Okay, so then I took my contour, which is my Palladio foundation stick in Mocha, and I'm putting that on my lace just lightly because I didn't want to, you know, make it too dark. But for my summer shade, this is like the perfect shade for my lace right now. And I put that clip right there just so the hair would flow in a certain direction. And this is what it looks like with the adhesive versus the glueless install. Both ways work very well, but a lot of times I do like to do the adhesive installs because it just looks more melted. It looks more melted, and you don't have to worry about any of your lace kind of curling up or anything like that. So this is what the wig looks like in all direction. It's very, very full with that 180% density. I did get a little bit of shedding because I did tweeze the hairline, and this is what the lace looks like outside. But overall, I feel like it does pass the sunlight test pretty well. So overall, this is very pretty. I don't think I've tried the Kinky Curly curl pattern with the pre-cut closure wig so far, so this is probably my first one. And I think it's very pretty, especially with using the frizz-free curl mousse. It always comes through. Shout out to Kyra Shine. So if you're interested in this wig, you can head over to Shimmer Wig. I'll have all their information in the description box for you guys. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.